I find effective, if I can stay calm, is to just say, well, I hear you, but how would you feel if that was you? To kind of get them in a calm way with you to sit and think of, well, if this was your experience, wouldn't you be frustrated? Wouldn't you be angry? Wouldn't you be marching in the streets? And sometimes that gets people to kind of calmly go, well, you know, you have a point there. If that was me and this is what I faced, I would be upset. So that sometimes can start a little more easier open dialogue.
Time when you did that? I mean, I know you said you told us to stay calm.
I probably have. Let me think. Yeah. I was driving with a friend of mine, and she's gay, white, grew up mostly without any African Americans around her, and we were talking about the protesting, especially with cops getting off for basically mowing down black men. And she was, it was the specific case where it was a cop who said that there was a gun in the car, but actually, and they got off anyway. And she was like, I don't understand why these people are protesting. I think they're just hurting themselves. And why can't they just get over it? And I said, Mandy, if you have been persecuted by cops, you've been pulled over leaving a gay bar. Like, how angry were you? She's like, I was so mad, I couldn't believe it. I said, but so think about it. If you were a black man who gets pulled over for being black, how angry would you be? So how angry would our community be if people were being mowed down and killed with no accountability after that? And I think the statement was good, but again, I came at her in this like aggressive way, so she was just like, I feel like you're attacking me. So for me, it's balance. It's figuring out tools, but it's also coming at people in a way that they can hear me and they don't feel
So it sounds like
attacked.
you did-